Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install applications on Xiaomi F Pro TV. So first, we're gonna have to open the native application store, which is the App Store. It's available right from the home page. Just open it, and after that, we're gonna be able to select any app we want to download. We have featured applications, we have games tab, and we have all categories as the last tab here. In all categories, we can select the category of the application that we need. For example, I don't know, movies and TV, and here we have the many different streaming services for our TV to install. Just select the application that you want to install, and then this particular application is already installed. Let's download local TV. Just select get icon and proceed with downloading this application. It will take some time to download, and then we can open it, and we can also access it from the app library in this App Store. If we go to back to the tabs and we open App Library, we'll be able to find our local TV on the apps list. Now we can also search for the applications by going to Search tab, selecting the search field, and then you can either input the name of the application, or you can use the microphone button on your remote control and just name the application that you want to install. For example, the web browser. Okay, we're gonna have to, we're gonna have to pair the TV to do that. I'm gonna do this later, but yeah, basically here you have to simply input the name of the app, or at least a couple of characters, and then select one of the suggestions. For example, let's download this Explore File Manager. And so that's basically it. Right now we can open this application. And so at this point, that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.